Hi, I'm Theo. Here's a little view inside one of my puppet head bases. So, as you can see here, directly underneath the eyes, I have this mesh here. And underneath that mesh, I have a very thin piece of foam. And the way this mesh is attached, it attaches in a curve, so it follows the natural curve of the hand. So if you reach inside, the whole hand has the weight of the puppet. You do not hold the puppet head just with the front of your fingers, but with the whole hand, and it has to distribute that weight, otherwise it would be very uncomfortable. And if we look further inside, you can see that I use the same type of foam on the sides and also on the bottom. In the lower jaw, there is not much. Here in this case, I did use a thick elastic band, and in the middle of that band is a mesh like this, and the mesh makes sure that the elastics do not pull the lower jaw out of shape. So if I slip in and open it, from the top you don't see much of the elastic band because there are the teeth and also the tongue directly glued onto it. And if I flip it around some more, you see the plate that I have in the upper jaw. In this case, with this head base here, there is a 3D printed plate underneath, but that one is made from the same material as the head base, TPU, so it is flexible. And that means that it could deform more than I would want it to deform. So I added a thin layer of black morph over it. And that's what makes this part black, and also what holds the teeth in place. The teeth are a complete jaw set, so the white material does extend underneath the black material. And I also made sure to use the holes here on the side to fasten that material to the head base. The nose is not attached yet, I just stuck it on here. It will be glued on or attached with a cable tie, like the other parts here, after the fur cover has been made. So what else do I have to show? Inside, like here, I make sure that there are nowhere any sharp edges that could be on the puppeteer's hand. So if I hold that, yep, it's very comfortable. Yeah, that's it for now. Bye bye.